What's up, coaches? Hope you guys are doing well. Here's our plan for Monday. Just like we did last week, the same warm-up is programmed for every day this week. Feel free to plug in something similar, the same time component with different movements. Do what you would like to make it your own, as long as it fits within the confines of the class. There were multiple times last week where I did a completely separate warm-up, trying to follow something similar in terms of movement patterns and the same time component. Let's dive into today's specific warm-up. So we want to repattern the deadlift, specifically before we work to a heavy for today. This is coach's cue. You want to go 3 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps of deadlift with a very light load. So before you set this up, you want to have your athletes get their own barbell loaded with some very light weight. So you're going to use a tempo of 3-3-3, and you're going to give your athletes 3 different cues. So that first cue is going to be set. That set will take them down to their approach to the bar. Set, lift, and recover. Relax. Set, lift, recover. So when I say a 3-3 tempo, what I'm referring to is after I lock on, I give them the cue of lift, it's going to take 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, up. You're going to hold them up here for at least 3 seconds, and then you're going to give them the cue of recover, which will take 3 seconds to bring them back down to the ground. You're free to hold them for longer in a certain position if you like, no big deal, but we want to go at least 3 seconds to make sure we give them some time to feel out the position, as well as some time for you to see what's going on with each athlete. All right, so opportunity for athletes to grease the groove with the deadlift, begin to program that movement back into their system, as well as an opportunity for you to diagnose what's going on with your class. All right, today's workout. This is another pure strength day, very similar to what we did last Monday. This one we're going to be deadlifting. So this is a 7x3 deadlift cluster. We're going to be performing a new set every 3 minutes, a total workout time of 21 minutes. So we're going to be doing a set of 3 cluster style. So what that means is they're going to be separated into 3 singles that are separated by 5 to 7 seconds of rest. So perform the repetition, drop from the top or set back, 6, 7, go again, another single, 5, 6, 7, and then a final single. They can definitely drop from the top as long as they have plates big enough to do so. And the goal is to build to a heavy triple over the course of the 7 sets. You can use trap bar, or they can use a straight bar, athlete's choice with that. All right, so let's demo this real quick, what this cluster would look like, just to make sure that we're clear. So I'm going to be doing just 1 repetition. Up, now I would drop from the top or set the barbell down, 5 to 7 seconds, set up again, rep number 2, drop from the top or set the barbell down, rep number 3, up, and now my set is over. All right, so social distance stuff here, it shouldn't be an issue with class sizes to provide everybody with their own barbell and their own weights. I don't see an issue there. Fitness option, you can give those the option that want to lift off of the barbell to do heavy kettlebell deadlift. This is not double kettlebell, but single kettlebell between the stance, and they're going to perform a 5-5-5 cluster. So they're doing 15 reps every 3 minutes. 5, take a break, 5, take a break, 5. All right. Strength stimulus here. Want to give our athletes a true heavy lifting day. Again, people are still in kind of getting that groove, getting back into the nervous system and so on. So you got to reel your athletes in. We truly want a perfect technique not to push on the deadlift for today. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have questions or feedback. See you guys.